Are you tired of feeling stuck in the beginner's zone when it comes to business central development and want to build a real world project but don't know where to start? This video is your roadmap to success, offering a curated list of beginner friendly projects that will boost your skills and confidence. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share 10 exciting beginner friendly project ideas for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central developers. Whether you are new to AL programming or want hands-on practice, these projects will help you build real world skills. Let's dive in right. Before we continue, you should understand what is a business central. So business central is an ERP from small to medium sized organization to automate and streamline the process of their business. Okay, so if you wanted to develop a ERP, so you need a development environment where we'll be writing the code through Visual Studio Code with a programming language called AL, that is application language. So since Business Central is offered by Microsoft, you can connect with various Microsoft technologies, right? Like Power BI, Power App, Power Automate, Outlook. So you can just connect with all these Microsoft technologies and of course other third-party technologies as well. So this particular video, we will be focusing on the beginners who really wants to start their career as in Business Central but don't know where to start and what are the projects they can implement. So this is what the top 10 beginner friendly projects which I wanted to discuss specifically. So the first project which I usually suggest is what employee directory extension. Okay, even I'm planning to implement all these projects step by step. Just keep an eye on the video, keep an eye on the channel. Okay, so our first project is the employee directory extension. Here you will create a custom table to store employee details like name, designation, department and contact information. You will build a list page to browse employees and a card page to edit their details. Add a simple action on the page to send a greeting email or show a welcome message. This project covers table creation, pages, actions and basic business logics. So you can you can just add more into it. I'm just telling you what can be easily done. Okay, so if you want to add more into it, like adding a simple report, adding a code unit, adding a query, yes, it's okay to go ahead with. Next comes the expense tracker. So the second project, you can create a table to track office expenses with the list and card pages for easy data entry. Add a validation logic, for example, block saving if the expense amount exceeds 10,000 without manager approval. So you will practice data validation, field triggers and workflow basics. Next comes your customer feedback. This is the third project. So in this project, you will extend the customer table. So you will learn how to do the extension, table extension and the page extension by adding a new field for feedback, create a page action so salespeople can record feedback after customer visit. Finally, add a report to list all customers who have provided feedback. This covers table and page extension as well as a simple reporting. You can add a simple reporting as well. And next comes the product warranty management. So this project will focuses on product warranty management. You can create a new warranty table linked to items, build pages to register warranties when items are sold and add logic to track warranty expiry date, and you can send the notification. This will teach you a relationship, date calculation, notification. So in all these four projects, if you wanted to add a simple report, you can also add it. Okay. And the fifth project, we will be discussing about the sales workflow. So you will extend the sales order with an approval status field, implement a logic to prevent posting orders unless they are approved, add a role based page action so managers can approve or reject sales order, and you will explore permission, business rules and workflow simulation. Next, the sixth project is birthday reminder. So add a date of birth field to the customer or employee table. Create a scheduled job, that is a code unit that sends a birthday greetings, and display a dashboard queue for upcoming birth dates. So you will understand how to write a code unit, how to create a job queue, how to create a queue, notifications and everything. And project 7 is bank reconciliation. Okay, so create a simple page where you can upload bank statement lines. You can simulate this with a CSV input, manually match the lines with Business Central ledger entries, and add color indicators for unmatched and matched transactions. This covers file import basics, reconciliation logic, and UI customization. And the project 8 is vendor dashboard. Add fields to track vendor ratings like delivery time and quality scores. Create a fact box on the vendor card to display average performance, and build a report summarizing the top and bottom vendors. You will gain experience with fact boxes, data aggregation, and reporting. The okay, so the ninth project which I can tell you is what you can just add a customer credit limit alert. So you will extend the customer table to include a credit limit, add logic to sales documents to show warning when customer exceeds their limit, log these exceeds attempts for later analysis. You will learn about event subscriber, page notification, and data logging. And finally comes the project 10, where you will be using a Power App and Power Automate integration. You will create a custom table such as customer support tickets and field like customer number, issue, descriptions, and status. Build a Power App that connects to the Business Central so users can create or update tickets on their mobile devices. Then you can create a Power Automate flow that triggers when the ticket's status changes. For example, when it's resolved, to automatically send an email notification to the customer. This project will cover the basic Business Central APIs, Power Platform connectors, events, and external automation. So here, like these featured product projects, you will learn from the basics towards the intermediate level, and you will understand how to use Business Central exactly. So this will also help you with the development best practices, testing strategy, working controls, and everything. So the project implementation analysis, the advantages are like comprehensive learning path, real world application, strong community support. You'll be getting it. I'll be telling you how to, if you have any queries or if you are facing any errors, how you can get the support from the community, integration capabilities you will get it, and scalable solutions for the growing business. And the challenges is what? Initial learning curve in the AL programming language syntax, because we are used with the traditional languages like C, Python, etc. But AL programming has a little differences, and it requires understanding of Business Central data structure. You need a sandbox environment setup. If you don't have one, you cannot try this. You should have a debugging skill, but gradually we can make it up. And you should have an update, like because Business Central will update, can say, every quarter. So you should be ready to cope up with that. Okay, so once you just understand, so here you can see this is my channel. So in this channel you can see a lot of videos about the Business Central, and this particular video, Business Central projects, gives you a very important videos about the project. Already I have implemented a project, that is a project portfolio project, to use to implement book management. Okay, so I'm planning to upload the other projects here. I'll be doing it soon. Okay, and if you want the existing project documentation, the complete documentation with the source code, you can get it from here. It's a beacons. You can see the link in the description, so you can get the project source codes from here. You can see bookstore management complete source code with the proper documentation. You can find it from here. Okay, then I hope you understood like how to start and everything. Okay, these 10 projects are perfect for beginners looking to sharpen their Business Central development skills with AI programming. Which project are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who want to get started with Business Central. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.